Hi there, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. This is available as a PDF tutorial. You'll find the link below in the description. And it is a lovely square album and split case, all decorated in the gorgeous Savana papers by Stamperia. The papers are absolutely beautiful. There are some fabulous African patterns teamed up with all of the animals that you see on the savannah too. And I've used black card to complement the project on this gorgeous box. And then we've got some tags dangling off here. So the box itself is 9 by 9. It looks slightly different because there is a band around the bottom of the top box that joins it to the base. And then we've got a nice handle held on with 3 little brads on either side, and that has been strengthened with our signature black construction tape. It makes it nice and sturdy, and then it's covered in paper on both sides. We've got little tags here cut from the 6x6 paper pad on some lovely twisted cord, and then just one embellishment on the front here. I did use the clear die cuts for that, but for that alone, and that could be cut out of paper. So the box itself is in 2 parts. We've got a small base that holds the album, and then the lid slides on. It doesn't stay on with the album in enough to pick the whole thing up by the handle. The handle really is decorative, but it does make a lovely lid for the box. We've got a window out of the front here that you can put acetate on. You can make it into a shaker window, but I've left mine clear and used a couple of the elements from the 8x8 paper pad and the 12x12 pad that coordinate with the paper I've used on the back, just to liven up that inside. So that is the lid. And then the album, it's a square album and all designed to fit the 6x6 paper pads, which form some of the pockets inside. So we've got a nice sort of decorative front, and then I've mirrored the inside covers. So we've got a nice deep pocket here under the band and a slider element for pictures. And these pictures are taken straight from the 8x8 paper pad. And then the pages sort of alternate between pockets large and pockets small. So this is the 6x6 paper pad, literally stuck onto the pocket. Pocket flips up, and then there is a nice deep place to put your pictures, as well as on the pocket top, both sides, and also underneath as well. So quite a lot of room for you to add lots of interest into the album. And then each page has got a plain back to give you a really nice area to create a montage. And then we've got a nice little pocket here that you can put smaller tags in, and again the band that you can pop things underneath. Look at these beautiful, beautiful colours. I've coordinated the colours with the 12x12 paper, the 6x6 paper, and then the pages are sort of 8x8 size, so you can use the whole of an 8x8 sheet or cut a 12x12 sheet down. Depends what you're using, what collection you're using. And then we've got this deep pocket again with the 6x6 paper pad on, flips over, 12x12 papers inside, and a nice deep pocket there, but also room to put things underneath as well. Oh, look at that zebra print. I love these colours together, the sort of crocodile green and the zebra. So nice little pockets on the front of the band there, and room to put things under the band. Plain page again, and the last of the deep pockets with that fabulous giraffe print. That's 12 by 12, sitting on an 8 by 8 sheet covering the page, and the 6 by 6 sheet on the top. So it's really nice to work all of those different sizes into one project. And then I've used offcuts here just to keep that colour palette going with the terracottas and that beautiful, so like an aqua green. And then we've got another slider element here at the back. So that is the Gloria album and split case, decorated in these gorgeous papers from the Savana Collection by Stamperia. So if you love the project and you'd like to make it yourself, you'll find all of the links to the PDF tutorial and the paper collections and all of the products I've used to make the project in the description below. So thanks very much for watching. Do give me the thumbs up if you've been inspired, and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new products and projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.